Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys on Thinkorswim. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Thinkorswim application and then click onto setup on the top right hand corner and then tap on application settings. Now inside of here, this is where we can go ahead and set up our hotkeys. Now on here we're going to be put in the general tab as default, but we're going to go ahead and click onto hotkeys. Now on the left hand side we've got all these different hotkeys we can go ahead and edit or set up. So if you want to change your home screen, we can go ahead and click on Control H. That's going to take us to our home screen, but if you want to go ahead and edit it, we can. So from here, so I'm on home screen, you can see on the right it's changing it. So general home screen, we can change it, so that's default. We can go ahead and set a custom hotkey, so we can change it to whatever we like. So we can make it Control Alt or Shift and a letter or number, and we can go down and set up all these to how you'd like to set up. I'm not going to go through each one by one, but yeah, you get the gist of how to edit these and set it up to how you want it to look and feel.